Today I'm going to share with you how to make a perpetual homemade vanilla extract. Make it once and you're going to have a perpetual supply. Hi sweet friends, I'm Mary and welcome to Mary's Nest. I'm a former New York City girl, but now I live the simple life with my sweet husband here in the Texas Hill Country. And this channel is all about cooking from scratch, living naturally, and creating a cozy home. So if you're like me and you want to live the simple life no matter where you live, be sure to subscribe to my channel and also click on the little notification bell below. That'll let you know every time I upload a new video. Making homemade vanilla extract couldn't be easier, and this is the time of year that you want to get started in the spring so that it'll be ready come fall, maybe November, when we all start to do holiday baking. Vanilla extract at the store has become very expensive, as have vanilla beans. But if you make the one-time investment in a few vanilla beans, you can make what I call a perpetual homemade vanilla extract. And how we're going to do that is we're going to put the vanilla beans in this jar, we're going to cover them with vodka, let them rest about 6-7 months, and then you'll have your homemade vanilla extract. And when you remove some to decant into a bottle like this that you can just keep handy in your pantry, you're going to refill it with vodka. And you're going to be amazed at how, get away from me, how strong these vanilla beans are and how they will create another wonderful batch of homemade vanilla extract. And then the next time you go, you run out of this and you go to decant again, you add more vodka, you just keep topping it off with the vodka, and you will be amazed at how long this supply will go on and on and on. And you'll be amazed at how nice future batches are, equally as good as your original batch. So you can really get your money's worth out of the vanilla beans that you make the initial investment in. Now sometimes I've seen people, they just like to put them in whole like this into the jar. I actually like to cut them in half. So what I'm going to do is just cut these in half. And so I had 10 here, and now I've just cut them in half, and I'm just going to go ahead and put them in the jar like this. Now I'm going to use vodka. I like to use vodka because vodka has basically no flavor, so the flavor of the vanilla beans really come through. But you can also use bourbon or rum, whatever you want. I just recommend vodka, but I know other people have used different liquors to make their vanilla extract, and they say they're quite lovely. So certainly you can experiment. And now we're just going to fill this jar with the vodka. And now it couldn't be easier. I'm just going to seal this jar. I'm going to put it in the back of my pantry and let it sit for about 6 months. And then when we get ready to do a lot of holiday baking, I'll bring this out and I'll definitely make another video to show you how it looks. And we'll decant some into our jar here to add to our homemade vanilla. We'll top it off with vodka again, and then maybe 6 months later we'll come back and check again. But that's it. It couldn't be easier, and you're going to love having a perpetual supply of your own homemade vanilla extract. If you'd like to learn about more things that you can make homemade, be sure to subscribe to my channel, and then click on this video over here where I show you how to make your own vegetable bouillon and dehydrated. And I'll see you over there in my Texas Hill Country kitchen. Love and God bless.